Hi friends, in this video, you are going to see a aptitude on profit and loss.
Aptitude 3. 7. An orange vendor makes a profit of 10% by selling oranges at a certain price. If he charges 1 rupee and 40 paise higher per orange, he would gain 30%. Find the original price at which he sold an orange. Option A, 6 rupees. Option B, 5.80 rupees. Option C, 6.70 rupees. Option D, 7.70 rupees.
Pause the video, and try to solve the problem.
Answer, 7.70 rupees.
Explanation.
1.4 rupees is the increase in absolute, 20% is the increase in percentage.
Thus, those two can be equated. Hence it can be concluded that 1.4 is 20% of the price, that is, the CP of one orange is 1.4 by 0.20 equals 7 rupees. The SP per orange, in the first case is, 7 into 1.1 equals 7.70 rupees. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.